Hey guys, I'm pretty much going to get everything craftsman related. Screwdriver set. There, there's a bunch of things I'm going to get that they have that I probably don't have in tools. T-handle, I'm going to get. I'm going to get all their individual tools. Let's see what all they have. Because the sets are not what I'm going to get, it's the individual tools I'm going to get. Because I know what I have and then probably don't know what I'm going to need. There's a bunch of things I can get that I don't have that will come in handy for automotive. And I should have put in the preference for 3/8 and 1/4 inch, but it is what it is. Because that's the only things I'm going to need is 3/8 1/4 inch stuff. And of course I'm not getting anything I've already purchased. But I know for sockets I'm going to get deeps and shallows. And for wrenches I'm going to get combination and ratcheting. Both SAE and metric. And then screwdrivers and a bunch of other things that they have. We'll just see what everything they have and then I'll go through and decide on what stuff I should get and what stuff I don't need. Because it's only going to be automotive stuff. Because I don't need anything else besides automotive. Because that's really the only stuff I'm going to focus on. And I think I just saw something about there's 23 tabs to it, I think. And of course it's gonna be different because I'm gonna only need 3/8 and 1/4 inch like I already explained. And get SAEN metric, standard combination wrenches, and ratcheting combination wrenches. And screwdrivers, flatheads, bunch of other things that I don't have that I probably want to get. And I'll properly organize everything. Get proper toolbox or top chest or something to store all this stuff in. But yeah, Lowe's does have a pretty good selection. I wouldn't be surprised if they have everything that Craftsman has online. If they don't, then I'll see where I can get everything else that they don't have that I could possibly utilize. I'm debating if I just want to get regular non-impact rated sockets or impact rated. But that I know deep and shallow. Either impact or non-impact, I don't know. But yeah, it's going to be a tedious process deciding on what all I should get. Or want to get. But I want to have pretty much anything possible so I can work on anything that I need to work on. Holy cow, they have a bunch for me to choose from for tools I want to get. It's not even funny. Dadgummit. Almost everything they have in stock, pretty much. Which is nice. Because then I can decide on what stuff they have in stock that I want to get. Golly, this is so much to choose from. Which is good because I can then have a bunch of things that I want or need in sizes I don't have and whatnot. So hopefully you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so get notified when I upload live stream, make YouTube shorts. And keep it on the community tab until YouTube makes features where you get notified when I post the community tab. Bye guys, peace, I'm out.